You've probably seen Kinto Airdrop in your timeline, so today I want to go and talk about it, how to participate, how to enter, how to be part of it, and what is going on. So we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing first is for the platform itself. So there are a few ways to go and earn. One is through trading Hyperliquid, and one is through depositing assets. So you will find that all the links down below. To deposit the funds, as we see over here, I got, for example, that I utilize as a protocol, I got 3 Ethereum. Then I have USDC coin, which are used for trading. But in this case, to go and deposit, it is super simple. You open an account, you simply come over here to your portfolio, and then you go to your asset. And from your asset, you decide which one to deposit and use as liquidity. It's basically like stacking. It stays there for a little bit and you don't have to worry about it. The other thing is trading. So to trade, as we are seeing over here from my platform, which I am trading right now over on the Ethereum side, for example, to give you an idea of how it's looking, well, it is a perpetual contract. So first of all, there is a few leverage, as we see over here, leverage of Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and many different tokens. So it's really nice to see that they got so many pairs. How do you get started? Well, to get started, it is super simple. Simply open your account with Kinto. Once you've done that, you will have the possibility to go on your assets over here and then decide which one to go and deposit. To trade perpetual, you can only go and do with USDC. So what I've decided to do over here, you will find USDC coin on different platforms. You can deposit from Ethereum, Base, or Arbitrum. So simply click on it, and over here you can click on deposit. So click over on deposit, connect whichever you want, credit card, external wallet, Coinbase, or exchange. Let's say you have it on your MetaMask. So external wallet, click on continue, select which one you want. There's a minimum of $100 to go and do it. Click on continue, and then select the asset of which you have in your wallet, whether you have Ethereum, Wrapped, Bitcoin, or USDC. I had USDC, so I click on USDC, click on continue, and decide how much you want to deposit. Minimum is $100, so the one that you have in your MetaMask wallet, simply set how much you want, deposit to Kinto, and you're good to go. Once you're in Kinto, the funds will be here. Come over to the trading page or through the link down below. I will leave you directly to the trading page. You will be located over here, and you have the possibility to click here over on deposit. So you will have the possibility to go and deposit your funds over here, and this is how it works. So once you deposit it, it is super simple. You're able to go and start opening and buying a token. For example, here I got a short position open on Ethereum, but I am in a loss. So let's go and close it and start a new one so that you can see everything that is going on. You got the funds over here, and then these are the rewards, which are super important. As we see, from trading, from the fees that you generated from trading, not from the money you make or you lose, from the fees you generated, you get Kinto token. As we see over here, I got 1.2 Kinto token in rewards from the fees I generated, and I generated that with $90. So as we know, I'm not the best of traders, so don't copy my calls, please. This is just a informative video, so I'm no financial advisor, no guru, no nothing. And let's go and do it with $40. So first of all, you decide the pair: Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, Trump, Jupiter, whichever you want. There's so many of them. Let's go on it, in it for the biscuit with 50x over on Ethereum, which, by the way, it does say 50x, which means it's the max leverage. Over here, you go and decide how much you want to go and put in. For example, I got $50 worth of Ethereum, and I can decide the buy amount. So let's go in with only $10. I will put $10 over here. Select the leverage all the way from 1% all the way up to 50%, and on the top, buy to long it, sell to short it. Very simple. So in my opinion, it's gone up quite nicely recently. We can also see it on the 30-minute chart. These 30 minutes here have gone up in a nice way. It was coming down, up, a little bit down, and now up. So what is it gonna do? I don't know. As I said, I don't read the markets nor nothing, but what I will say is I will go and short it because it's gone up a little bit too much in my opinion, and it is a little bit time for a short it. So we go and short it actually with $40, and we go and do a 50x leverage, and here you got it. The order size, the liquidation price, if Ethereum reaches 3.35k, which is 3,350, so in $10, I get this position that I play with, that I go and bet it, I get liquidated. The fees are $2.67. As you see here, I got my rewards at 1.24 Kinto token. Simply create the orders, and let's go and play it safe. Now the token is going down. As we see here, I have the position open, 2000. The entry, because this is a my position plus the 50x leverage, makes it a 2K position. Liquidation price information, entry price information. This is the margin, and this is where the money is at. So I enter at 3339, now it's at 3337. So I'm a little bit in profit, and the profit and loss is 0.48. We said I was 1.24. As we see here, the fees that I generate for entering the position have gone to my volume rewards, to my Kinto rewards over here. And then we got the profit and loss. Okay, 6 cents. Now we see 1.32. I go and close the position. So in terms of position, I probably lost, as we see here, 6 cents to 70 cents. And now I'm at 140 in reward. So the amount of fees that I generate goes to the reward. This is not for, if you make money on trading, you will have your account value go up. Now, why do I do it? Well, as we see here over on Kinto, the nice thing about Kinto, why you're seeing it in your timeline a lot, is because Kinto is actually one of the few protocols which have a lot of token to the community, and Kinto is owned by its users. 70% of the K tokens will be distributed to the community. And keep in mind, there is only a max supply of 15 million tokens, less than what Bitcoin has in circulation. Initial token supply of 10 million. Kinto community members receive 55% initial token supply, 70% of max token supply, which will be distributed to users, developers, and partners. Team and advisor receive X amount, investor receive X amount, which is the distribution graph over here. So why do you do it, and why do you be part of this token? Well, first of all, the product, I've been using it for a long time. I have deposited and I provided liquidity. I have started trading very recently, so not a month ago, whenever it just came out, but I like it. I like the protocol. As we see here, everybody's like, if you remember Hyperliquid, it is super easy, the UI, it is super easy to interact with the people, it is super easy to interact with the platform. Well, the same here. You've seen it, how easy it is to simply set an amount, $40, select the leverage as you want. You simply do this, limit price if you want to set a limit price, and then you simply click buy or sell, create the order, simple as that. There is no pain, no nothing going through it. Everything is smooth. There is no problem whatsoever with the platform. You close it, you get your gas fees, you keep your position open. Of course, if you do this, remember that your account value will go down because I am paying fees. Now, I'm paying fees in hopes that every fee that I generated, the K reward, if you're looking for the airdrop, you're looking at the K rewards are going to be higher than the fees you spend, unless you are a good trader and you know what you're doing, you know when to get in, you know how to use the leverage. Also, as of that, the perpetual trading, it's extremely difficult in order to do it properly. Perpetual, you need to know the market, because if you don't know the market, if you don't know, if you're just going in like me, just clicking buttons, it's very risky. So be careful, because you could lose all of your funds, yes, but you can play with the leverage. You can keep it here for a long time. You can keep it here for a short amount of time. It is up to you how you want to trade. When you feel like it, for example, 8 cents in profit, I go and close the position. Yes, I did 6 cents in profit, yet the fees are going to be higher than what I spent. But I do think that this could be a rewarding mechanism. So very straightforward how to go and interact with Kinto. We have the trading and we got the depositing funds to provide liquidity. There is a leaderboard, as we see over here, that you can go and check, the one that you've done, the token amount that you have, and everything that you can do. But as I said, link down below. If you wish to join, make sure to go and do it right now, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao guys.